I'm gonna show you something I found with these LED lights. Now, originally they have a nut in this in here. At least a lot of them do. And then you're supposed to take this part here, put it like this, and I think there's some another kind of screw that goes in, but it doesn't matter, okay? And then you're supposed to be able to move this around. But they usually stick here or start spinning, so you can't really use this. And this one is stuck in the middle because I've tightened it a bit too hard. Anyway, say that it works. Then you put that one on there, and then you use this bracket here with some small screws in these holes, and then you can adjust the angle like that, and you can also adjust how you want this to sit on your ATV or machine or car or whatever you use. So it's quite complicated. I think I found a better way, at least if you have some kind of pipe to connect it with. And on ATV it's usually like the racks, but you can have like handles from your digger or machine or whatever you have. So what I found was this, and these are real cheap. I got them, I think it was like $4 or 40 kronor, something like that. And in one of the ends you can just tighten them to hold against the pipe. And I actually bought these one size too big, so I should have had a bit smaller. In here is a thread M8 and M10. So what I'll do is I want to use this, something like that, and then put the LED on it. And to be able to use this, you open up these screws here. And these ones strip really easy when you take them back, so don't over torque it. Now you can just take the seal to the side, and it actually works kind of good. These were underwater, so, and there's no water in there. Now remove this here. If they're new, there's no problem doing this because this nut in there will be loose and not like this. So take that one out. And instead I put this in. And you can take any length of these that you want. This one will make the grip really snug against that, as this one. And if you want a longer one, you can just put another nut here. Like that. And then take this one, and when you have it in the position you want, you can use this nut to tighten against this, and another nut to tighten against this. But I want it as short as possible. That's not what she said. Anyway, place this, oops, sorry. In the middle. Whatever position you want it. I want it in the middle like that. And then I know that I want this screw facing backwards like this. And if I'm really far off, I think this will be good. But you know, I might be half lap wrong or something. Let's see. Oh, yeah, I think it will work. If it doesn't get into the right position, you can always, you know, slide this out and then kind of adjust it a bit. Then maybe see what happens now. I'm gonna tighten this. Yeah, now you see. Now I'll have it. It's the wrong, facing the wrong way. Now when I think I got the right position on this, I'm gonna put some Loctite here. Then the final tightening will be done when it's mounted. I bought this a little bit too big. I'm putting this tape here. It's, I don't know what's it called. It's a very rough surface on it, so it will grip good. Like I actually put it a bit wrong. Oops. I think it would have looked better if they were a bit more down, maybe like in here. But this way I will get more light above that snow plow. And that's how I actually, since I bought the